Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail.
What criminal?
I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
Today, Judge Fleezer is dealing with a 19-year-old who already has several aggravated assault charges. While locked up, he thought it was smart to threaten the witnesses in his own case. Bad idea. The judge has zero tolerance for that. Instead of focusing on his charges, the kid is whining about not having his phone or TV, basically acting spoiled. But this also shows why threatening witnesses is no joke. It only makes things worse and piles on more trouble.
It's time to go play Fortnite. Let's go. Come on. Huh?
Fortnite?
Come on, man. I'm itching to
Give me
go
your approach,
play.
Judge.
Whatever happened with Mr. Wiggins?
Mr. Wiggins has some bond conditions to not speak to the complaining witness in an ag assault with a deadly weapon and an ag assault family member. He then went to jail and called her twice and her mom.
I mean, what more can we do? Really?
Take the phone away.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. We'll do it now.
He also called not only under his own name, but he also called under 3 other inmates' names.
Good morning, Mr. Wiggins.
What?
How's jail?
Cool.
It's come to my attention that you are violating the conditions that we set out in this court, flaunting it, and trying to get a hold of the complaining witnesses in these cases when we've told you not to. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. The deputy called me this morning and said that the defendant has called the complaining witness twice and the mother of the complaining witness as well. The deputy told me that while listening to these phone calls, he heard the defendant and say things such as, "This is how you take care of things," and that everybody violates their bond conditions and talks to the complainants in these cases. He also heard the defendant make statements saying that he was going to continue to violate bond, and once he gets out, he was going to hire an attorney, but he had previously learned that the defendant was indigent, and so he took this to mean that the defendant was going to commit other criminal acts to get money to hire him.
What blows my mind is that he didn't just threaten witnesses, he was also bragging about crimes he planned to commit later. That's just reckless. Honestly, this guy isn't thinking at all. I can't wait to see how Judge Fleezer responds once the prosecutor lays everything out. What do you think the judge should do? Maybe the easiest step is taking his phone away, but I'd love to hear your thoughts.
Can you please notify the other courts as well that are so that they know as well?
Yes, Judge. I just sent a full email to the felony prosecutor in case the deputy hadn't already alerted her. I just went ahead and did it. The deputy, again, is getting the transcripts for these calls, and that the defendant has been using 3 separate inmates' spin codes. That would be Jermaine Brown, Mark Diaz, and Dennis Compton.
Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use a jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail. So your privileges to use the phones at all are hereby revoked.
Judge, I just,
She
again,
just told you.
Not even.
please stop.
So
And just, I just want to reiterate.
please go ahead.
He's
Yeah.
19. You are taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
But he's
I
making
understand.
additional threats allegedly,
I
you know?
didn't threaten
Okay,
anybody.
we're going to get the records, but
Okay.
until I know that you're not a threat, I mean,
He's typing everything.
every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out because I'm going to ask, could you mind please pulling all the records, getting all the phone calls, and we'll play them out here in court and we'll see. And if it's not, then I will gladly give you your phone privileges back. But there have deputies that have pinpointed you allegedly, you and using other people's spin numbers to make phone calls, to make continuing threats, and to further criminality.
I actually feel sorry for the defense lawyer here. You can see she's struggling because there's really no excuse for threatening witnesses. The only thing she can argue is, well, he's just 19 and wants to talk to his family. But that doesn't hold up when he's already charged with assault, tied to gangs, and now intimidating people. At 19, he definitely knows better. Do you think the lawyer's excuse works, or should the judge hit him with a tough punishment?
We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Judge, I will also say that the defendant told the complaining witness, this is about the ag assault involving the firearm, that when she got shot, the defendant said that's what happens when you hang out with gangsters.
So pull all that stuff, and all that stuff gets, so we need to figure out how, because it's a first for me as far as doing a revocation of privileges like that. As far as revoking phone privileges for inmates,
As far as I know, it has to be through the court order.
okay. I need to do whatever I can because it's apparently a problem now. So, I guess I'll reach out to administration as well to figure out how, because it's a first for me.
Judge, just so we're all on the same page, Mr. Wiggins is obviously going back to the jail now. Even before that order is in place, you are instructing him now not to use the phone. So,
Oh.
So I didn't do it. That's so stupid.
well, we'll get the tapes and
Get it? We'll
Okay,
see.
good. Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
Yes.
Okay. I can't trust you to use a phone, Mr. Wiggins. You know what's happening. I have other deputies that have alerted us to what's going on. I can't. That's it. You got to know when you're in the jail, there are eyes all over you. It's like at a casino. You literally have eyes all over you at all times. You got to know that whatever you're doing is always being looked at.
Stay in bed. That's why I wasn't threatening nobody. I didn't say
he's
anything.
typing everything you're saying.
Asking them
I
to pull it.
understand. He's talking about I'm doing illegal things when I get out to hire a lawyer and all these other things. That's stupid. I never said anything about anything illegal. That's just.
So, what do you think? Was Judge Fleezer too soft, or was there nothing more he could do? Taking the phone stops threats for now, but it doesn't fix the bigger problem. This guy clearly isn't learning and just keeps making things worse. With multiple charges and reckless choices, the odds aren't on his side. Witness intimidation is serious. It can add years to your sentence. At this point, it feels like he's digging his own grave and setting himself up for a long time in prison. Do you think he can still turn his life around, or is it already too late?